issue for Phoenix PD. This is the Arizona Department of Public Safety. Phoenix PD is looking for Taylor Smith, 28 years old, 5 foot 7 inches, 100 pounds, black hair, brown eyes. He went missing from the area of North 23rd Avenue and West Bethany Home Road. Taylor left the area on foot. He was last seen on August 5th, wearing a black shirt and light blue jeans. Please contact Phoenix PD with any information. If you have contact with the Silver Alert, please call 911. Monitor TV and radio for updates.